Hey everyone, we just checked out of our hotel here in Sooke, BC. We stayed at the Prestige Oceanfront Resort and I want to give you a quick tour because we loved it and we would definitely recommend it if you're in the area. If you're just tuning into our British Columbia road trip series, we were on quite the adventure. We started out in Nanaimo, took the ferry to Vancouver to sightsee, made our way up to Whistler and enjoyed some of the stops along the Sea to Sky Highway before heading back to Vancouver Island. Be sure to check out my BC road trip videos for more travel tips, top attractions, and things to do in the area. They're all linked in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel videos coming soon. Now, let's jump into the tour. We arrived around 7:00 p.m. to check into the hotel, so it wasn't busy at all. And luckily for us, we were able to get parking out front, which we learned can be a bit of a challenge when they are busy. This is a dog welcoming property, and while we were there, we saw a few very well-behaved dogs around the resort on vacation with their families. The main lobby of the hotel is decorated in coastal colors and style and was very open and bright. When you walk in, to your right there is the Road to Sooke Cafe, which is open for breakfast and lunch most days of the week. They have coffee, baked goods, sandwiches, and more. Across from the cafe is the Vault Lounge, a sports-themed lounge serving upscale pub food. Just past the vault is a computer and business center open to guests. And then around the lobby there are various seating areas including couches, chairs, and even dining style tables over by the cafe. Past the concierge desk was the entrance to the final restaurant here, the West Coast Grill. This restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and even offers takeout. It's a more upscale dining option, so the prices were on the higher end, but as you can see, it's a beautiful restaurant, and some tables had fantastic views of the water. We explored the outdoors at night, and the hotel looked so beautiful all lit up. There were numerous seating areas outside, including on the upper terrace and in the courtyard below. There was an indoor pool and hot tub open from 8 a.m. until 9 p.m., and they also had a fitness center, but we never actually made it there. Another amenity we didn't have time to visit was the Coastal Tides Day Spa, which is on site as well. Even at night, we were really impressed with the resort, but it got even better the next day in daylight. But before I show you the property during the day, let's take a look at our room. When I booked, I selected a single queen room, which was all that we needed since we spend so little time in our room. It had a very comfortable bed and seemed really clean. Though one thing that struck me was the room decor didn't match the overall atmosphere of the coastal hotel. This room actually ended up having a balcony as well that overlooked the parking area and the main highway. It was a nice bonus for us to be able to sit out there and get some fresh air. The room had standard amenities including a wardrobe, desk and chair, and a coffee maker and mini fridge in the sideboard under the TV. The bathroom was also pretty standard and had a shower and tub combo, a large vanity, and there was even a small TV in the bathroom. We stayed for 2 nights, but actually didn't spend a lot of time around the resort because we had so many activities planned. So when we checked out, we decided to do one final walkthrough of the resort. And wow, it was even more beautiful in the morning sunlight. Now you can see the various outdoor seating areas more clearly, and you can see all of the propane fire pits with cozy benches and seats around them that you can use in the evening, but also during the day. It had such tropical vibes. I was actually sad we didn't book to stay here longer. Down by the waterfront, there was a big marina and boat launch area. We watched a few people launch their boats while we were there, and even saw some sea lions. So, we had to go get a closer look and see if we could make some friends. Despite my husband's best efforts to call the sea lions, they didn't get too close, which is probably a good thing. We learned that the sea lions stay around this area because there is a fish cleaning station at the edge of the water, so they were probably hoping we'd have some food for them. Along the side of the hotel is parking for the trucks and trailers that launch their boat at the marina, and there was also the entrance to the underground parking for the hotel guests. This area was completely packed on the day we were leaving, so if you're looking to come here with a boat, make sure you arrive early. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this resort, and if you're in the area, certainly check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos coming soon. And with that, we were off to our next stop on our BC road trip. Stay tuned to check out our whale watching experience coming next. And let me know in the comments below who you think got seasick. Was it me or Ellen? The answer will be revealed in the next video. I'll see you then.